In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Slack bots to enhance productivity. If you find this useful, consider subscribing and liking the video. Let's dive in and explore how to make the most out of Slack bots. First things first, you'll want to start by opening your Slack workspace. Once you do that, navigate to the specific channel you want to optimize. Now, head over to the Slack app directory. This is your treasure trove for productivity tools. Whether you're looking for applications like Trello, Asana, Google Drive, or Zapier, you'll find them all in this directory. Just type in the name of the tool in the search bar, and voila! Once you find the app you're interested in, click on it and select Add to Slack. However, before you go ahead and authorize it, take a moment to review the permission requests. You'll want to make sure you're comfortable with which data the bot can access, such as channels or files. This step is crucial for maintaining the privacy and security of your workspace. Next up, it's time to configure and automate tasks with your selected bot. One of the best things about these bots is that they can handle those repetitive manual tasks that eat away at your time. Think about setting up your bot to handle things like scheduling automated daily stand-up reminders. If you have a large team, this can be a game changer. You could also sync project status updates, push calendar alerts, or even receive notifications when a new form or sale is submitted. Automated processes help streamline communication and keep everyone on the same page without the hassle of constant manual entries. Now, let's talk about time-saving strategies within Slack. You'll be surprised at how much you can accomplish directly in your message bar. Many of these bots employ what's known as slash commands. For example, you could type in /Trello to quickly create a task, or Asana to pull up your project details, all from within your active chat window. This feature not only saves time, but also keeps your workflow smooth and uninterrupted. As you implement these bots, it's important to maintain the overall health of your workspace. Once you've deployed a bot, make sure to monitor how your team interacts with it. Sometimes, these bots can start flooding your channels with too many automated alerts, which can lead to what's called alert fatigue. If you notice that happening, it's time to revisit your configuration settings. Refine the filters so that the bot only brings in the critical updates you need to keep your workflow efficient without overwhelming your team. Integrating bots into your Slack experience can truly enhance productivity if you approach it thoughtfully. You can save time, streamline communication, and focus on what really matters, getting work done. Remember, every workspace is unique, so don't hesitate to experiment with different configurations and settings until you find what works best for you and your team. That wraps up our video on using Slack bots to enhance productivity. If you found this information helpful, please don't forget to like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.